Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the app called Camo. So the reason why I've got two videos on my screen is one of them I'm using my iPhone as a webcam. So today we're just going to go over how you can set that up, but more importantly, how you can use your iPhone or any phone as a webcam. So all I want you to do, and it's also very, very cheap. So what we've got here is, let me just drag this down. I'm not going to recommend anything that's, $200-300 a month, or, just stupid amounts of money. This is actually really cheap. So it's $40 per year or $5 a month to use your iPhone, or I'm pretty sure it works with any phone, but $5 a month to use your iPhone or a phone as a webcam. So you don't have to buy an expensive, one, two, three, $4,000 camera. You can just literally download this app. I'll put a link in the description, and you literally just use this. So the bottom the bottom video, which is this one here, that is the iPhone. So we're just going to play around with the settings. Now, the top video, which I'm speaking to directly right now, that is my Sony. And also, before we move on, I'm also giving away a camera, which I bought. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm giving away a brand new Sony Z4E10 when I reach, was it 10,000 subscribers? 10,000 subs. So as soon as I get 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to give someone, a random person in the comments, a free camera. And then as I reach different milestones, then I'll obviously be giving away more. But let's get back to this video. So basically, and I've also got this thing here. I hope you can see my cursor. So we're just going to play around with this. So all you do is you download it, and then you literally plug your phone into your computer. Like, that's how easy it is. It's very, very easy to set up. Once that's all connected, you'll see this page here. So I want you to look at this big video here, and also the video on the bottom right, because it's that bottom right video. I'll zoom in and out. That's the video that we're going to play around. So the top video is my proper camera, and the bottom video is my iPhone. So the good thing about this is all the way zoomed out. Now, looks okay, doesn't look amazing, but the good thing about this is you can set it to anything. You can zoom in, you can zoom back out. So I want to try get my video looking like my Sony camera. So I'd say that's pretty good there. Now I'll show you another thing here. So this is really good. You can also do this. So that box here, you can literally, so let's just say your office looks better like that. You can leave your camera like that. If it looks better like this. So it's just about adjusting, which is really, really cool. So I'm going to, I think that looks okay here. So I'm just going to leave it there. There's also some settings here which I don't really recommend you use. I'm not even going to go over that. But if you just want your regular webcam, don't worry about those settings. The presets here, again, I personally wouldn't use. Look at the video bottom right of screen. I'll just go over these settings. So that's saturation, nerf, mono. Don't know why you'd want that. Tropical Hawaii. So these are just like pointless. Yeah, it's just like a bit of fun, I guess. If you want a lemonade, you can have a lemonade. You can create new presets. So I am going to, let's go back here. Okay. Also a device. So you can literally connect any device here, or audio settings. You can connect microphones, whatever it is that you're using. Filter, we're not just going to do that. Okay, so let's go over this stuff here, because this is the most important thing. So let's go over white balance. So I want you to look at my bottom right screen. So we're going to try get this looking like it's a proper decent camera. Okay, so my top video is quite dark. So I don't want it that dark. That's, I think this looks okay. Now let's go tint. Okay, so that's dark. That's too much. Okay, I think that looks okay. Now the brightness. See how the top video is bright. So we're gonna, now that darkens up the image too much. For YouTube, that's actually quite good here. That's too bright. So I'd say that's actually quite nice. Hue. Again, that just changes the color. I'm not even gonna bother with that. Saturation. Yeah, so it just makes it brighter. Saturation, I'd probably leave. Again, I personally wouldn't play around with these settings too much. Vibrance. Okay, let's just say on your YouTube videos or your, whatever it is that you're using your camera. Okay, so let's just keep it. More importantly, you don't want to worry too much about the lights in the background. You want to worry about your face and what your face looks like. So I'm going to turn that off. Contrast again. So all of these settings, I'd probably just leave off. Sharpness. Yeah, pointless. So the white temperature, let's go back to the white temperature. So I reckon we go. It was actually okay before. Yep, perfect. Exposure, again. There you go. So that's too bright. Let's go white balance a little bit higher. No. Brightness. No. ISO. That's okay, but I'll probably turn that off. So I think this is the best setting for now. Brightness. Turn brightness off. So basically, so I'm looking at my iPhone 13 camera now. So as you can see, the quality isn't amazing like my Sony camera, the Z Four, which I'll be giving away to someone. But as you can see, you can still use your iPhone or any phone as a webcam. So if you're doing YouTube videos just like this, you could literally use your iPhone camera as a webcam. You don't have to purchase a $2,000-3,000 camera. You can literally just plug in your iPhone or Samsung or Android, whatever it is that you've got, and it costs you $5 a month. Like that is extremely cheap. With these settings here, so you can also use this free camo. You don't have to pay $5 a month, which is good, but you only have 720p. So I'll click on this and you'll see the difference. And then I just have to zoom in, but then it's going to pixelate it a little bit. So for $5, you've got high definition. So very high definition here. So this is what you want. So $5 a month, and you can use your phone as a webcam. You've got no excuse to crush it on YouTube and social media. It costs you $5. You can literally plug in all you need is a cord. You plug your phone into your computer. You go into camo, and it's literally, so all you do is you scroll up, you pick. So that's my camera here with the iPhone. So I've got two cameras set up at the moment. I've got my ZVE10 and then I've got my iPhone. You just click on that and it literally connects and you can start using it. Now, I'll also do another video, which I'll possibly do today for you. This is the app called Orbs, so OBS. I don't know what will happen to this video. Actually, here we go. So I'll drag this onto. Okay, so that's normal. So here's an app called OBS. This is where I do all my videos and how I set everything up from the dimensions, setting up. So I'll do a video for you guys on how to set anything up. So you can do portrait videos. You can do videos like the one I'm doing now. You could literally have 3 or 4 different cameras set up. And OBS is free as well. So I'm going to do a video today. I'll probably share that maybe tomorrow. Make sure you watch that video. Hope this was helpful. So again, you don't have to pay, $5,000 or $2,000 for a Sony or a Canon camera. You can literally just use your phone, and it looks just as good. Again, the quality isn't as good, but if you're doing videos, with the big screen and your photo or your video is on the corner, no one's going to notice a difference. So it's literally costing you $5 a month. Like, guys, you could literally do one video a day. It takes you 5 minutes. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. So this video is about setting up camo. The next video, I'm going to tell you how to do all the dimensions, portrait, landscape, and how to connect OBS. So I'll look forward to seeing you in that video. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm a new channel. Like the video, leave a comment, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.